Hi students, now we are going to discuss about a chapter 11 mensuration chapter exercise 11.2 word problems are there. First question, here one trapezium shape is the trapezium shape table is the trapezium shape. You know trapezium shape table like this way, trapezium shape table. Here also table legs are the table is the trapezium shape table. Then here they mark it as two parallel sides are the one side is a 1 meter measurement. Second parallel side has a 1.2 meter. Then height means in this way it given as a 0.8 meter. Height difference distance between the two parallel sides given as a 0.8 meter. What is the formula for finding area of a trapezium? Area of a trapezium formula is half into sum of these two parallel sides. We can consider it as A. This line represent as B means these are two parallel. Why they are called it as parallel? Why? Because they never become intersecting. Anyhow, we can extend it to both sides. It never become intersecting. That's why these two lines we can say they are parallel lines. Or you can identify, you make it as A, B, C, D means AB side and CD side are parallel lines, and AD and BC are the non-parallel. Why they call it as a non-parallel? Somewhat distance they extending and extending they are intersecting. That is the reason. That's why AD and BC are intersecting. So they are non-parallel sides. Then area of a trapezium, how to find out means formula is half into sum of these two sides. Here this side you can give name as A, this side DC side give name as B means sum of that two side means A plus B into distance between these two parallel lines. For distance we mark it as an alphabet H. So formula of area of a trapezium is half into A plus B into H is the formula for finding the area of a trapezium. Here that formula applied. Here what are the information they given? Just values. Here we can write it as area of a trapezium, asking the tabletop is in which shape? A trapezium shape. So area of a trapezium formula. Apply a formula is half into A plus B into H means the distance between the two parallels. Half into A value here how much? 1 meter. B value is 1.2 meter. Into H means the distance between the two parallel sides 0.8. Then crosswise 2 and 0.8 cancellation possible. 2 table 8 4 times. Again inside bracket 1 plus 1.2 become 2.2 into 0.4. Without numbers, decimal point numbers, just we multiply. 22 4s are how much will coming? 88. Then here multiplicand place after decimal point 1 digit. Multiplier place after decimal point 1. Total 2 digit. From right to left 2 place 1 to 2 place count and put a decimal point. Then unit given as in meter. That's why we can say 0.88 meter square is the area of the tabletop. Tabletop is in which shape? A trapezium shape. That's why it will become 0.88 meter square is the answer. Then next second question. The second question they say is about same way. Trapezium area is directly given. Area of trapezium is given in this question. Trapezium is 34 centimeter square. Area directly given, and the length of one parallel side is given. Length of one parallel side is given. One parallel side is given. Parallel side is given is 10 centimeter. Then height also given. Height is given as 4 centimeter. Find what they are asking. Find the second parallel side. Find second parallel side. Find out second parallel side measurement. They ask to find out. See, trapezium shape is like this way. Trapezium shape. We can give name as A, B, C, D. Then in this trapezium, which are parallel side, AB and DC are the parallel side. Then that parallel side, one side measurement they given us a 10, so we can mark it as 10 centimeter. Height means a distance between these two parallel side, AB side and DC side distance. How much they gave? 4 centimeter is given. They asked to find out DC side or second side, second parallel side measurement. Find how to find out. Already they given area. Using area formula and unknown value, find out. So what they give, how to start? First we start with the given hint, area of a trapezium. Area of trapezium, how much they gave? 34 centimeter square. What is the formula for area of a trapezium? Half into A plus B into H is the formula. That value is equal to how much? 34 is given in the question. That value substitute. Half into A means one parallel side. How much? 10. Second parallel side we don't know. We don't know B or X. Any alphabet you can mark. B into height is how much? 4 is equal to 34. 2 crosswise cancellation possible. 2 and 4. 2 table 4. 2 10. 10 plus B into 2 is there equal 34. Then right side and left side cancellation possible. 2 table 34. How many times? 17 times. 2 table 2 1 time. Then 10 plus B into 1 means the same number itself. So 10 plus B is equal to how much? 17 is getting the 10 plus B is equal to 17. Our aim is to find a B value. So linear equation format. Plus 10 sent to opposite side comes to be minus 10. 17 minus 10 become how much? 7 centimeter is this side. Measurement become how much? 7 centimeter is the second side measurement. I hope you can understand this question. Second question. Then next we go through third question. In the third question, they given us here a trapezium shape. In this way diagram they given trapezium shape diagram. Diagram is in trapezium shape only. It is given like this, like in this way, and they given us A, B, C and D. It is a right angle part. The owner want to fencing where we are doing fencing are doing on the boundary part. Boundary part means it represent as a circumference. Boundary part represent as a circumference. Circumference is given as a how much? 120 is given. In A, B, C, D, shape field circumference. Length of the fencing. Length of the fencing means circumference is given. Length of fencing is given. Fence is 120 meter is given. Then BC side value given as a 48 meter. Then CD value given as a 17 meter. Then AD value given as a 40 meter. Like this. This one 17 meter. Then AD side represent as 40 meter. What they ask you to find out AB side value. AB side value they ask you to find out. How to find out AB side value? Here then one more thing they say that draw a perpendicular from the one vertex. So we can draw a perpendicular to BC side. Then perpendicular means it to make how much degree? 90 degree. There you can give any alphabet which E alphabet giving then we can mark it as a D or L or E or any alphabet. So first what we can say, how much is the DL value? First we find out a DL value. Then afterwards area of the trapezium formula apply. DL value how to find out? Here see, now it is coming a combination of which figure? One square shape and this part represent as a rectangle shape. This part 70 means 48 means B to C distance represent as 48 meter. What about LC or CL measurement? CL is the BC is subtracted with the BL. BL value how much? Square case opposite sides are equal. Here 40 means or a rectangle case also opposite sides become equal. Here 40 means here also how much will coming? 40 meter. Rectangle shape means opposite sides become. Here AD is 40, same way BL also become 40. Then what about LCM? BC is subtracted with the BLA, we get a LC. So we can write here we write it as CL is equal to BC side is subtracted with the BL side. BC side is 48 subtracted with the BL side. BL side is 40. So CL side become how much will coming in? 8 meter will come. This part to become 8 meter. Now see this is in which shape? Right angle triangle case. In right angle triangle third side how to find out? Pythagoras theorem apply and find out the third side DL side. So here the Pythagoras theorem says that longest side square is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Which is the longest side? So we can consider that triangle DLC triangle. Which is the longest side? DC is the longest side is equal to sum of these two sides. Which are the two sides? DL square plus CL square. DC value how much? 17, but a whole square is the DL value. We don't know. We want to find a DL value. Then CL value how much we have? 8 meters. So, but a whole square is the. So 8 square. Again continue. 70 square means 17 into 17 because how much? 7 here 7 plus 4 comes to be 11. 7 1 how much it will coming at 289. 17 into 17 comes to be 289. DL square plus 8 8s are how much? 64. Then DL value how to find? Plus 67 to opposite side it comes to be minus. So 289 is subtracted with the minus 64. Then you get a DL square value. So 289 is subtracted with the 64. 9 minus 4 comes to be how much? 5. 8 minus 6 become 2. 2 minus, so it will become how much? 225 equal DL square. How to find out a DL side? Take square root on both sides. Square root of DL square become DL. Square root of 225 become which? Same number multiply time 225 will getting a 15 into 15 become a 225. So how much will getting DL? This side become 50. So AB also become how much will coming here? Therefore we can say AB side also become a 15 meter will getting there. The first part they asking that only find out the AB side distance. So AB side how much we have? 50. Why? Because opposite sides are equal in the rectangle case. That's why AD and BL represent 40. AB and DL represent as 15 meter. Then not complete our question. DL finding after find out the area of this trapezium. Area of the trapezium is how to find out area of the trapezium. Half into that formula apply. Area of the trapezium formula apply and find out. Next they asking find out area of a trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to, we know the formula, half into sum of two sides. Which are the two sides? AD side plus BC side are the parallel side. Multiply with the distance. Which is the distance? DL is the distance between these two parallel sides. DL. Values of half into AD value how much? 40. BC value B2C distance how much total? 48. Into DL now we got how much? 15. Just calculate. 2 and 15 cancellation not possible. So leave it. Then 40 plus 48 comes to be how much? 4 plus 4 8 88. Then cancel. So it to become how much? Here it to become 11 into 15. Sorry here adding time 40. 88 coming 88 into 15 is getting the 82 and 88 cancel. How many times? 44 times. So answer become how much? 44 into 15. Just you multiply. 44 into 15 become how much? 660 meters per area represent as meter. Just first we find out the DL value. DL value how to find out? Pythagoras theorem apply and find out. Third side measurement how to find? By the longest side square is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. That Pythagoras theorem apply and DL value find out. DL value become 15 meter. Then next they asking a DL finding after find out the area of the trapezium. Area of trapezium formula is half into sum of the parallel side. Which are parallel side? AD and BC are the parallel sides into height. Height represent as a distance between the two parallel sides, AD and BC distance. So DL half into AD place AD measurement 40 plus BC side how much? 48. It is given in the question. Into DL how much? We got 15 instead of DL place 15. Then half into 40 plus 48 adding inside bracket here 15 and 2 cancellation not possible. Leave it. Then inside bracket to give preference 40 plus 48 to become 88 into outside 15 is there. Again now 2 and 88 cancel. 2 table 88 to 44. Then remaining numbers cancelled after denominator 1 only. 44 into 50 become how much? 660 meter square is this question answer. Then next we go through next question, fourth question. In fourth question they says about one diagonal case. Diagonal of a quadrilateral diagram is given in this way. Diagonal of a quadrilateral is given in this way. Diagram they given diagonal of a quadrilateral here A, B, C, D. Diagonal of quadrilateral they given us 44 meter and quadrilateral is 24 meter. And from B vertex to draw a perpendicular. This is the height. That is mark it as E. Measurement given as 8 meter. From D vertex to opposite side joining, there you mark an alphabet F. That measurement also they gave 13 meter is the DF measurement. What they ask you to find out? Find the area of the field. Area of this quadrilateral ABCD field find out. Find out the area of the ABCD quadrilateral. Diagram is like this. See, quadrilateral. What about quadrilateral? Four-sided diagram. We call it as a quadrilateral. Different diagrams. Parallelogram is coming under quadrilateral. Trapezium is coming under quadrilateral. Rhombus, rectangle, square. All these are lies under a quadrilateral. Here, one quadrilateral diagram they given. Then they given us from D to then diagonal which is the diagonal. AC diagonal is given. Measurement is given as 24. AC is the diagonal. Measurement of AC diagonal given as 24 meter. And D to draw a perpendicular from D vertex to AC diagonal. And a cutting point mark an alphabet as F. D to F distance they given as 13 meter. Same way from B vertex to opposite side is AC is the opposite side with respect to B vertex. Draw a perpendicular. How much measurement? 8 meter. That is DF and BE. They are marked an alphabet as E. BE measurement because how much? 8 meter they given. So how to find out area of this field ABCD field, quadrilateral field, quadrilateral area finding a separate diagonal divide quadrilateral into two triangles. Which are they? ADC. Second triangle is ABC triangle. That two triangles area find and they are adding time we get area of ABCD quadrilateral. So we can write it as area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to how to find out area short form AR triangle ABC triangle is added with the area of second top triangle is ACD. That AC diagonal divide the quadrilateral into two triangles. So we know area of a triangle formula is half into base into height. With respect to ABC, base represent as AC into height represent as BE is the height. Then plus second triangle case, ACD triangle case. There also same formula, half into base of the second triangle ADC case. Base have no change. AC is the base. Height of that triangle become a DF is the height. Just value substitute. Half into AC place 24. Value they given in question. BE value they given as 8 plus half into AC have no change 24 into DF value how much 13. Then this is our first term, this is our second term. First term cancellation goes cancel 2 and 8 cancel 2 table 8 to 4. Then multiply 24 4s are how much remainder 1 4 2s are 8 8 plus 1 9 96 plus then here also 24 cancelling time 12 times. So 12 into 2 become 24. Then 12 into 13 multiply. 12 into 13 become how much? 3, 2, 1. So 6, 156. These two values just to be added. 156 is added with the 96. So how much will come in the 252 meter square is the area of this entire field ABCD. Field 252 meter square is the area of ABCD quadrilateral. How to find that one? AC diagonal divide the quadrilateral into two triangles. Separately the two triangle area find and adding time full quadrilateral area will get in. I hope you can understand this part. Then one more question. Fifth question. In this question, fifth part, they say is about fifth question is diagonal of a rhombus is given. Diagonal of rhombus is given that rhombus is given as a 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter are the diagonals. 12 centimeter are the diagonals of the rhombus. Find its area. Find its area. Then here, what is the formula for finding area of a rhombus? Area of a rhombus is equal to, rhombus formula is half into D1 into D2 is the formula for finding a area of a rhombus. Here diagonals values are there. Rhombus means nothing, it will look like a square only but small bending is there. We can give mark it as ABCD means ABCD is the rhombus. Then a diagonal AC is the first diagonal, BD is the second diagonal. AC here BD value how much they given as 7 short smallest diagonal, take it as 7.5. AC is a more big diagonal, that one consider it as a 12 cm. So we can substitute the value half into D1 place 12 into 7.5. Then 2 and 12 cancellation possible. 2 table 2 1 time, 2 table 12 6 time. Then 75 into 6 without a decimal point multiply. 42 plus 3 comes to 45. Here decimal point is the after decimal point 1 digit. That's why in answer place from right to left 1 place take and put. So answer become how much? 45 unit given as in centimeter. That's why area represent as a centimeter square. 0.0 leave it. Only 45 only consider. So answer become how much? 45 centimeter square is the area of the rhombus. So keep in your mind area of rhombus means what is the formula? Half into two diagonals. In this diagram see AC and BD are the diagonal. D1 into D2. So D1 means the first diagonal, D2 means the second diagonal. Value substitute, multiply, calculation do in time, area of the rhombus will get in. Remaining questions we can discuss on next class. Thank you.